The face mask detection for preventing the spread of COVID-19. The present scenario of COVID-19 demands an efficient face mask detection application. It is an object detection and classification problem with two different classes, mask and without mask. The existing system drawbacks as the virus spread through close contact of human and in crowded or the overcrowded places. The proposed system has the habit of wearing face mask while stepping out is rising due to the COVID-19 coronavirus epidemic. The methodology are proposed workflow, deep learning architecture, image processing, dataset collection, and the architecture development. The block diagram has processing technique to detect the output. Some screenshots are: by developing this system, we can detect if the person is wearing a face mask or not.